my KZ project's finished, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I got the engine powder coated, and I put a KZ900 crank in there. I poured the head. I put some 418 lift cams in that head, 34mm carburetors, and I upgraded my shocks to YSS and Progressive springs in the front forks, and those suspension upgrades really improve the rideability of this bike, and I'm real happy with that. It makes it so much easier to ride this bike on the highway and on country roads where there's more bumps, where before it would really rattle and it made me kind of not like doing it, but now it's so much nicer of a ride. But one of the other upgrades I made on this bike was I put a halogen or an LED Holly headlight instead of the halogen bulb, and it is so much brighter and it really lights the road up. Yeah, so it's pretty good. I'm still working a little tuning bugs out, but it runs pretty good. There's something about those 418 lift cams that I like the sound that that engine makes. It sounds way different than it did before, and I like it a lot. So yeah, so far it's pretty cool, and I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So yeah, that's where I'm at.